I had this customer reach out for a bright orange pendant. It was a custom color for the new patio. This is how I made it. So I started off with a yoga ball. This is about a 21-inch size. Wrapped it with some plastic so that the resin didn't stick. Mixed some epoxy resin up with crochet thread. Basically wrapped around this whole form. I created this jig to spin around in circles easier and faster while I wrapped it. This ended up being around 4,000 feet of thread to cover this whole thing. So I had to keep going around and around and around, covering all the empty spaces until it was evenly covered. So lots of resin, lots of thread, but it eventually turned out really cool in the end. I do get a bit dizzy doing these, but I'm almost done. After about a day and a half of drying, I take down the pendant. It's really hard at this point, and I can safely deflate and remove the yoga ball and the protective plastic wrap. I also made this top attachment plate to hang it from as the cord goes through it. Alright, and here it is with the light. You can really tell how the color lightens up and it just really glows as you put the light inside. Here's the final product. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.